Oh, these are great. These reindeer with the gold horns, tusks, what are they called?
Antlers.
Horns, antlers. Let's do that again.
What is the first thing you think of when I say bedroom?
Retreat. Should it be sex?
Well, that's what I was hoping for, but no one...
One bottle of champagne costs more than everything I bought at HomeSense. It's true. I buy good champagne.
Do you want me to go first?
Yeah. I do. All right.
This is great, especially if you're on an island to have the downdraft.
Oh, I thought you meant an island up in Muskoka.
Where's your head? Where's the design show?
Tell me about this piece.
Cut. I mean, if you need storage, it's a stunning piece.
We do a lot of makeovers here at House & Home, and this was definitely a worthwhile makeover that was long overdue.
This truly was a shell because it's a loft space. And with open concept spaces, it's all about creating zones.
This bedroom needed a transformation. I think that they are gonna sleep like babies in here.
Big energy. Drinking.
I'm Brian Gluckstein.
I'm Trish Johnston.
I'm Sam Sachs.
I'm Garo Kettigan,
and you're watching In Bed with Designers
On House and Homes.
Why are you doing it with me? I'm saying the phrase. You shut
My favorite part of entertaining is setting the table. I like to line everything up the night before. I change it 10 times, but when it all comes together, don't forget to take a picture. That's the most important thing.
One of the things that I really knew about myself was that I always wanted to live in color.
Play with color, play with texture, and bring some real whimsy into the space.
I just wanted a very light, happy place to live.
In the end, the best design is a collaboration between the homeowners and the designer.
If you flesh out the ideas and get practical about it, there's always a solution. And I think in this house, it turned out pretty well.
Okay, they are filming me, you.
They're filming you?
Yeah, right now. Do you want to just spill your...
Really good. Do you want to try?
My baby, I love you, not right now.